How to transfer money from PayPal to Capitec Bank. Here's how it works. First, sign into your PayPal account. Now here you want to find add card or bank. If you don't see it, navigate to your wallet. Once you click on wallet, then here you should see the option link a bank. So click on link a bank, and then you will need to type the IBAN here. So this is going to be the number for the Capitec Bank. Once you type out the IBAN, you will click on agree and link. Once we have linked our bank, you can go back to the home screen, and here you should see the option transfer funds. Click on transfer funds. It is then going to ask you if you want to transfer to your bank, and we just want to select that. You will click on transfer to your bank, and as long as you have a sufficient balance, it is going to ask you how much you want to transfer, and you will confirm. That is how you do it. I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub.